Predict Bottlenecks is technology software for a specific operational decision, predicts potential process bottlenecks based on historical performance data and current trends. This video explains what the tool does, why the workflow matters, and how the output becomes useful decision evidence. The problem is that technology teams often manage this workflow with scattered inputs, inconsistent review rules, and manual interpretation. At quarantadue.ai, every MCP workflow starts from the real tool interface, not from a generic prompt. The goal is simple. Keep the expert in control while the system structures the evidence. Inputs, reasoning, and outputs stay connected in one reviewable flow. Now the results become easier to compare, easier to review, and easier to explain. Predict Bottlenecks narrows that process into a repeatable model so teams can compare cases without rebuilding the logic each time. Predict Bottlenecks starts with a defined input contract. Typical inputs include current throughput, peak throughput, traffic growth rate, average response time, and 95th percentile response time. Keeping these fields explicit reduces ambiguity and makes every run easier to audit. The workflow then applies calculate a latency degradation score based on the ratio of 95th percentile response time to average response time, normalized to a 0-100 scale where higher scores indicate worse latency distribution. Calculate the percentage of maximum capacity currently being used by dividing current throughput by peak throughput. Predict the number of months until the system reaches a bottleneck given current utilization, traffic growth rate, and available capacity headroom. Returns a large number if no bottleneck is predicted, and compute a composite bottleneck risk score 0-100 by weighting latency score and throughput utilization, then amplifying by the error rate. Higher scores indicate more imminent risk. This keeps the process deterministic, reviewable, and aligned with how technology teams actually make decisions. Predict Bottlenecks returns structured outputs such as bottleneck risk score, time to bottleneck, throughput utilization, latency score, and risk sensitivity to growth rate. These outputs are designed to support review, reporting, comparison, and follow-up actions. The value of Predict Bottlenecks is not just automation, it is a controlled way to turn repeated technology work into a documented business process with clear inputs, transparent logic, and reusable outputs.